So here we have this problem. We have this truss and we want to calculate the stability and the determinacy of this truss. So we will start as usual by calculating first the number of members. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have a total of 17 members. So M equals 17. After that, we will calculate the number of reactions. We have here two supports, two hinged supports, and each one has two reactions. So the number of reactions is 4, which is R. After that, we will calculate the number of joints. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are calculating only the joints here, as you can see each one of these. So we have total of also 10 joints. So J equals 10. After that, we will start calculating our equations. The first one is M plus R, which is 17 plus 4 equals 21. And the second one is 2J, and 2J here, J equals 10. So 2J equals 20. This means that M plus R is more than 2J, because here M plus R equals 21 and 2J equals 20. So it is more than it with only 1. So this means that our truss is stable and indeterminate of the first degree, because the difference here is only 1 between the M plus R and the 2J. So this is the answer, stable and indeterminate of the first degree.